So that's why we got 154, and plus 4 value transpose becomes. Please mute it. Don't talk. Your parents are talking in between. 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. So what is 154 minus 4? 150. And when you divide 6 and 150, you will be getting 25. X is equal to 25. X is nothing but breadth. So we got breadth is equal to 25 meter. And length, you know, 2x plus 2. So while you apply x there, 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52 meter. So we got the length is 52 meter. So if you have done all these steps, you will be getting 4 marks. Okay, now this very important sum, seventh sum, it is there in the first exercise. Some of you have done, but many of you have not done this correctly. You have done in your own way. Simply you have added and subtracted. That was not accepted because they are not telling you to simply simplify. If the question is simplify, you can simplify it in any manner, in any way, whatever method you know, in that method you can do. But here they are not asking you to just simplify. The question is, so dear children, the question is using appropriate identity. So all these identities are must. Some of you have not written this identities. You have not written, you have done this steps, but the identities are not mentioned. Okay, this is the first time I'm leaving you, but hereafter, whenever you are getting this type of problem in the question, you should write these identities also. Because the first chapter, this are the important things. What is commutativity of multiplication, commutativity of addition? Because you got these type of question in MCQs also. So you should know what is commutativity of addition, multiplication, what is distributive property, what is associative property. Everything you
Not
should know.
clear, ma'am.
What is not clear? Okay, now listen please. So here what I have did is this 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. I have just A into B is equal to B into A. In that manner, I have interchanged this 3 by 5 to first and minus 2 by 3 as a second term. Then I wrote this 5 by 2 as it is. 5 by 2 as it is I have written. Then here I have written this step as it is. Now what I did, again by commutativity of, this is commutativity of multiplication. See here, commutativity of multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. Next, by commutativity of addition, I am going to bring this term to the center and this 5 by 2 to the last term. So this is by commutativity of addition. So here 3 by 5, yeah, 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3, you write as it is, and this term will come, see here into symbol. So if you have into symbol, this together comes under a single term. So this I have brought it in the center, and this 5 by 2, you have to transpose to the last term. Now what happens here? What happens? This here, when you see here, here also 3 by 5, here also 3 by 5. So by distributivity, we can take 3 by 5 commonly out. Now what is left out in this term? Minus 2 by 3. That you write inside the bracket. Here what is left out? One minus symbol, and 1 by 6 is left out. So that also you write it and close the bracket and write this 5 by 2 as it is. So now what will happen after taking LCM? This, if you want to check this, if you want to change this denominator 6, you should multiply by 2 into 2. Both numerator and denominator are to multiply by 2. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. And here you have minus 1 that you write, and the common denominator is 6, because here also 6 and here also 6. Now write this 5 by 2 as it is. Now what happened? Minus 4 and minus 1 is nothing but minus 5 by 6. So 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. Here you have into symbol, so you can cancel. Numerator and denominator, you cancel it. Then 3 1 times 6, how many times? 2 times. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So you got minus 1 by 2. And you have here plus 5 by 2, that you write as it is plus 5 by 2. So now what happened? Both the denominators are same. So now combine the numerator, minus 1 plus 5 whole divided by what? 2, single denominator. So 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. So 4 by 2 you will be getting 2 1 times, here also 4 2 times. So you got the answer as 2. This, so many of you have done this correctly, but some of you missed to write these commutativity of multiplication, commutativity of addition by distributivity. That you should write in the next exam, children. So now These are the test descriptive type questions which I have given you for the test. Now, coming to the next one. Is it clear, children? How many of you
Yes,
done
ma'am.
all the questions? How many done all the question correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
You
No,
type
ma'am.
your
Yes,
name.
ma'am.
Okay, children, you
Yes,
type your name
ma'am.
correctly.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So now which question I have to do? I think seventh question. Am I correct? Seventh question? Sorry,
Yes,
sixth.
ma'am.
No, sixth question I have completed or not? Please tell me. Dear children, sixth one I have completed or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Let us see sixth one. Shall we see sixth one? Sivaraman is joining now. Netra Marlin 20 out of 20. Okay, let me check. For the seventh sum, what is the mark? Rajan is asking. Seventh sum. What is seventh sum?
And 4 mark.
Not question. Then, ma'am, when Mark will release, ma'am? Sivaganesh. Yeah, by today or tomorrow. I didn't get the name list of which class? 8th. I did this some in different manner, but yes, Ramasubramaniam, you did in different manner, but whether you have done by using the properties or not, pa, that you should check.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then somebody send the message. Harish Joshua 20 out of 20. Divishantanathan 20 out of 20. Madhava Arni 20 out of 20. Hmm. Kashi Vishwanathan 8th year name list. If somebody have name list of 8th year, please send it to me. All the students name list. Sivaganesh 18 out of 20. Okay. 40 students join now.
Why?
Yes. Who is that?
Mine. I'm Haridev.
Veena.
Ma'am,
Yes, what do you want, Haridev? Tell me.
Mark.
Your mark? I'll send you later
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
I'll send you later
Okay,
on.
ma'am.
I told you to decide your mark and see, they were posting their mark which they have expected. I have not told them their mark. Okay. So now I said the answer. So according to the answer, they are saying that how many marks they scored. There may be some differences also because some silly mistakes also they can make. What about the others? Nitish Lingam 14 out of 20. Kashi Vishwanathan 16. Okay. Okay, children, now let us go to the next sum of exercise 2.4. Let me start today's exercise. 2.4, sixth sum. Yes. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are the ratio 11 is to 4. So, they have not given the direct dimension, that is length. What is the length of the plot and what is the breadth of the plot? That they have given in the form of ratio. So when you divide that, you will be getting in the form of 11 by 4. That's why they have given the ratio as 11 is to 4. At the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. So what are the dimensions of the plot? Now, according to this question, we so always to take out it from the ratio, we used to assume with any variable such as by x. So here let the length be 11:4. So let this be length and let this be breadth. So take it out from the ratio. Let us include a variable x. We have to find out that x. That is very important. Unknown value. So let the length be and breadth be 4x meter because 11:4. So length be 11x and breadth be 4x. Meter, have you got meter as a unit? Because they are given at a rate of 100 per meter. Here unit they have mentioned per meter. That means for 1 meter. 1 meter, how much it cost to fence na veli podrudhu. So how much it cost? 100 rupees. Okay.
Ma'am, your microphone is off, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Please
Ma'am,
join
your
before 9
microphone is
o'clock
off.
hereafter if the class is from 9 to 9:40. Sivaraman, have you joined? Okay, let me start. Let us not wait for anybody else. You're calling me in between and telling me to join in the class. Why you are late? This should not happen hereafter. So what I said, fencing means it is nothing but outer boundary of the class. So what is the perimeter? How will you find the perimeter? Actually, perimeter means perimeter into cost per meter. Wait, I'll write. Perimeter into cost per meter will give you the total cost. Okay. If you want to find out the total cost to fence the plot, you should multiply the perimeter. What is the outer boundary? How much meter you got? That into cost per meter for 1 meter, how much? That you should know. That will give you the total cost. So here, perimeter we don't know, that we have to find out. They have given cost per meter and the total cost. See here, cost per meter and total cost they have given, but we don't know what is the perimeter of that rectangular plot. So by these two things, we can find out what is this perimeter. As I told you children, to transpose, if you have multiplication symbol, wait, let me write. Actually, perimeter into cost per meter equal to total cost. Isn't it? Total cost. Okay, now here, this cost per meter, you can transpose to other side. How will you transpose? Here you have multiplication symbol. Multiplication becomes division. So here perimeter is equal to total cost by cost per meter. So by this way, you can find out your perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangular plot? Since they have given total cost and cost per meter. So here, total cost is given as 75,000 and cost per meter is for 1 meter, it is 100. So when you divide this, you will be getting 750 meter. Perimeter of the plot is nothing but 750 meter. Now, perimeter formula, you know, 2 into L plus B is equal to 750. That is given here. So here L value, what is L value? We have assumed 11x. So write L value as 11x. And what is B value? 4x. So plus 4x. So 11x plus 4x is equal to, which is nothing but 750. So what is 11x plus 4x? 15x. So 2 into 15x is nothing but 30x. 30x is equal to 750. So x is equal to 750. 30 is multiplied with x. So while you're transposing becomes division. So 70 by 30. Now this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled. So when you cancel, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Balance 1. 3 5s are 15. So when you cancel 75 and 3, you are getting 25. So the value of x is nothing but 25. So now you apply x here, 11x. So 11 into 25 is nothing but 275 meter. 4x. 4 into 25 is nothing but 100 meter. So we got the length as 275 meter and breadth as 100 meter. So what are the dimensions? Dimensions are nothing but length and breadth. So we found the dimensions. What is length and what is breadth? So that's all for this problem. Now we are moving on to 7th sum. Yeah. Question number 7. Already it is 9:34. I think we can complete this sum now. 7th sum, the question is, Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth material. Question is not there, children. I hope you are all having a max book with you. So you can refer the question there. So Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt that cost him rupees 50 per meter. So 1 meter shirt is nothing but rupees 50, and he is buying 2 kinds of cloth. One is shirt, another one is trouser, since he is a boy. So for 1 meter 50 for shirt, and for trouser 1 meter cost him 90. So for every 2 meters of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of shirt material. So for every 2 meter of trouser, so trouser 2 meter and shirt for 2 meter trouser, he will be buying 3 meter shirt. So suppose if any person is very thin, then they will buy somewhat what to say 1 meter of 1.5 meters of trouser, like that. They may buy in any manner. It depends upon the size of their body. So now here he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit. So here profit also given. 12% trouser and a 10% profit. Total sale is given as 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So how much trouser material did he buy? I think this is the question, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So here, what they have given? So the ratio of a shirt and trouser is given as, see here, for every 2 meter of trouser, he buys 3 meter of shirt. So ratio of shirt, here they have given shirt is to trouser. See here, shirt is to trouser. In that manner, they have assumed. So shirt, how many? 3 meter. For 3 meter shirt, he is buying how much trouser material? 2 meter. So the ratio is given as 3:2. So in this manner, Hassan is buying. Okay, 3:2. So how will you take out from the ratio? Shirt material is equal to 3x meter and trouser material is equal to 2x meter. So now here, cost also they have given, isn't it, children? Cost how much? Shirt 50 per meter. cost. So for 1 meter 50 means here how many meter shirt? 3x meter. That x we don't know, so we are assuming it as x itself. So 50 into 3x is nothing but 150x rupees. 150x. X after finding we have to substitute here and we should find out what is the cost of shirt. And what is the cost of trouser material? 90, isn't it? 90 they have given 90 per meter. So 90 into 2x is nothing but 180x. See, after completing this problem, I will ask anybody to again explain this sum. So you should be ready. So please listen carefully. Now what they have given, one more thing they have given, profit, isn't it? Profit, how much they have given? 12% and 10%. So shirt material profit is nothing but 12%. So shirt material, how much it costs? 150x. So for 150x, what is the profit? So profit means we have to add that amount also to the cost we have got already. So 12% they have given. So 150, what is 12% of 150x? That we should find out. What is 12% of 150x? So 150x, the 12% is nothing but 12 by 100. So how will you do this? You can cancel this 0 and this 0. Then in fifth table, this is 3 times, this is 2 times. And again in second table, this is 1 times and this is 6 times. So what is 3 6 are 18 and you have here 1x. So you will be getting 18x. 12% of 150x is nothing but 18x. So here cost price is equal to 150x plus 18x is equal to, so selling price, this is selling price of shirt material. This is nothing but selling price. Let me write. This part is nothing but selling price, SP of shirt. SP of shirt is nothing but 150x plus 18x is nothing but 168x. Because with the profit that person is selling. Then what is selling price of trouser material? Trouser material percentage profit, how much they have given? 10%. So trouser material, what is the cost? 180x. Trouser material cost, how much they have given? 180x. 10% profit. So how much profit? 180x into 10% means 10 by 100. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. So you will be getting 18x. So 18x is nothing but 180 plus 18x is nothing but 198x. So this is cost price and this is selling price. This is selling price of shirt and this is selling price of trouser. So now here total cost as per the condition, what they have given according to the question, total sale. So total sale is nothing but 36,600. So what is selling price of shirt? Selling price of shirt is nothing but 168x. And selling price of trouser is nothing but 198x. Total sale is how much? 36,600. With the profit that Hasan is selling 36,600. And so when you add this, you are getting 366x. And here we have 36,600. When we divide, we are getting x as 100. So what is x? You have to apply here 3x. So shirt material will be 300 meter. 2x trouser material will be 2 into 100 is 200 meters. So length of trouser material. Here they are asking only trouser. See, in the question they have asked how much trouser material did he buy. So they have found only trouser material. If you want, you can find the shirt material also. So if this is 200, that will be 300 because for every 2 meter of trouser material, he buys 3 meter of shirt material. So once again, let us see this question in the next class. Or if somebody is willing to explain this also, you can explain before starting the class. So now up to 7th sum we have completed. Now you all please write up to this and post your classwork in Google Classroom, because they may ask for inspection. Only you should post in Google Classroom. Don't send in WhatsApp. If you are sending in WhatsApp, it will get deleted.
Ma'am, voice is not clear, ma'am.
Okay, this sum I'll explain again once again in the next class. Now those who are willing also can explain. I said already. Now up to 7th sum I have completed in today's class. So please go through. For remaining sum, actually 8, 9, 10 is remaining. That also will be taken in the next class, or I'll send a video also. Okay, children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.